In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ehlers Smoothed Stochastic and RSI with Roofing Filters indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this powerful indicator set up on your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that and it will open the Indicators panel on your screen. Inside this panel, you'll see different categories and a search bar at the top. To avoid scrolling through a huge list, move straight to that search bar. Click inside the search field so you can type. This is where we're going to look up the specific indicator. Now, start typing the full name. Ehlers Smoothed Stochastic and RSI with Roofing Filters. You don't have to type it super fast. TradingView will start showing matching results as you go. Make sure you pick the one that exactly matches this name, because there can be other Ehlers or stochastic indicators that are similar but not the same. When you see it appear in the drop-down list, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see the Ehlers Smoothed Stochastic and RSI with Roofing Filters appear, usually in a separate pane below your main price chart. To customize it, move your mouse over the indicator's name on the chart. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like lengths, smoothing, colors, and visual style. If you're new to this indicator, it's usually a good idea to start with the default settings while you get comfortable with how it behaves. Later on, you can come back here and fine-tune the parameters to better fit your trading style or time frame. You can also change colors to make it easier to read, especially if you use a dark or light theme. Once you're happy with everything, click OK or close the settings window, and your customized Ehlers Smoothed Stochastic and RSI with Roofing Filters indicator is ready to use. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet, you can use the link in my description to sign up and unlock more tools and layouts.